Stockton, California. Stocktown, baby. It's cracking with it. It's your boy John. Motherfucking Evil Watson. You hear that shit? Began right at 3:30. And it's just getting louder and louder and louder. You better be getting all this phone. Damn flash off. There go my ears. Right side ear. Ringing like a motherfucker. If you can hear it, tell me. Come on, let's hear it. Fuck is that shit? I don't wanna hear no train bullshit, you know? Wish I'd turn this goddamn flash off. I'm fucking walking around with a goddamn freak at 3 in the morning. With my flash on trying to record this shit. Instead you just get my hand. My prints, motherfucker. Blood. Welcome to Bloodville, 2018. What is it? Post your comments. I seriously want to hear what all you guys think that is. would be the Hyperactive Auroral Research Program, also known as HARP. Or the electromagnetic field experienced major motherfucking friction due to Lord knows what, possibly the return of Nibiru, the arrival of Nibiru. Hear this shit all the time on the east side, never over here.